guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tashina, your Jamaican yard gal, and today I will be making coconut curry, a splash of lemon, chicken. Yes, going to make Jamaican curry chicken, guys. And you're looking at my dry seasoning, and I have black pepper with a little bit of oregano. And if you notice, this is my turmeric with 2 different type of curry, and I have some all-purpose seasoning, some complete seasoning, and some jerk seasoning. So let's get started with my chicken. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm back, and I have my cleaned chicken, and I have a previous video where I show you guys how I clean my chicken. So if you want to watch that first, you can go right ahead and watch it. Anyways, I'm gonna start off with my curry, and I put my seasoning on in order, and then I'm gonna add my black pepper with my oregano, my complete seasoning, my jerk seasoning, and my all-purpose seasoning. I just love this with all the seeds in there. It has a lot of flavoring. Ooh. And I'm gonna rub that together, and trust me guys, if you guys put your seasoning on, use your discretion and use the amount you feel comfortable with using. So I'm going to rub that up and show you guys. Okay guys, I mixed that up, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some hot pepper to that. I just love me some hot pepper. And I am going to add some garlic. Yes, look at that. Then you mix that in there also, you know. Just like that. And then you set that aside to marinate. A lot of people would use onions, but at this time right now I'm not going to use the onion. The onion would be a good idea because it has a lot of spice to it, but right now I will not be adding any onion until like the ending. So yeah, I'm gonna cover that up, let it marinate for an hour or two. Then I'm gonna start cooking.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, I have my pan with my olive oil, and I am going to add a teaspoon of curry because I just love me some extra curry, guys. Yes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add me a little bit of ginger, and then I'm gonna mix that in and let it burn. Get that flavor all out so the neighbors can smell it. Yes, get all my neighbors jealous, guys. That smells so good, trust me. Let it burn for a minute, and then I'm gonna add my chicken to that. Get it all in there. That looks so good. Yes, and then I'm gonna cover it up and let it cook for about 30 minutes. After cooking for 10 minutes, then I'm going to flip it, and if you notice how brown it is, looks so good. That helped to bring out the flavor, all that seasoning. Then I'm gonna cover it up and let it cook for another 10 minutes. And that's what it looked like, guys. After like 20 minutes, that's what it looked like. It springs its own water, and it's just cooking. And I'm just gonna let it cook for about 1 hour, guys. guys, my chicken is ready for the final touches. Yes guys, what I've been waiting for. So now I'm gonna add onion, some scallions, some peppers, some carrot, some potato, and I did add some ginger. And then I'm gonna add my coconut milk. Yes, that looks so good, and I'm gonna mix that up and show you what it looked like. Okay guys, I mixed that up, and I did add a little bit more water, and as I said, I add a little ginger. So I'm going to just let all my vegetables cook, and then I am going to be adding lemon juice. Okay guys, after 5 minutes more, it's all done and it's ready for the tummy. Yes guys, it looks so good, it smells so good, and it tastes so good. And yes, using the wrong spoon, wasting my juice, but that's okay. Just look at that chicken. Well done. It is so tasty guys, and you guys should really try this recipe just like this. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.